holder. This is very important news for all NFT holder, because the previous days change occur is going to be very negative, but this time the current condition is now very good and very exciting moment, my friend, for all of you. So this time 7.29% they moving upward. Definitely it's going to be very good, but especially a holders doing very big mistake in this time. They're starting selling. Exactly, the mistake is that with this starting selling. So what's the prediction to upcoming times? They moving upward or not? This is selling time or buying time? Everything, my brother, is going to be very important. So let's start without any time waste. But before I get started video, I request you to kindly subscribe this channel before I get started, and please press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for everyone. I hope you never lost if you follow this channel. Thank you so much. Okay, the price, if you can see here, my friend, this time 0.392. This is the latest update you can see here on the screen. And come to the point, my brother, if we can see here this time the market cap. The market cap is exactly, my friend, you can see, first of all, I give you updates, and after that, my friend, I predicted this 7.29% moving upward. The market cap and fully diluted market is 7.49%. The volume, the main thing, my friends, you can see this time the volume of last 24 hours has falls down. So there are two big reasons, my friends, today falls down. 39.12% they falls down. So there are two main reasons. The first reason is that today volume has falls down to especially the short time investor. I already tell you, my brother, the short time investor, they are starting selling. Exactly, they're starting selling when the price is increased very slowly. When the price is increased just in only, my friend, 0.001 US dollar, then absolutely they decide to, this is selling time, and they sell it. And absolutely when they sell it, so the price is decreased now and they falls down. So therefore I request you short time investors to please hold it, wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you very good profit. If you are a short term investor, then absolutely sell it to the end of this month. I hope, my friends, they give up very good profit and they make you a millionaire. So the second reason is that, my friends, especially and those all crypto market is very badly dumps down. It's very badly falls down. So therefore the all crypto market is dumps. So I think this is also very badly falls down. So the three main reason I already explained you, my brother. So kindly don't sell it, hold it and wait for a good time. I hope, my friends, they go up like a rocket. So my friends, what's going next in upcoming times? There is a chance to them moving upward, or there is no chance to them moving upward. They falls down more and more. So yes, absolutely, my friends, there is too much chance, my friends, to NFT is moving upward in upcoming time. But definitely this depend on a holder. To if you are starting selling, then exactly the price is going to be decreased and they fails down. But if you are hold, then absolutely they're going up. But if you, my friends, starting selling, then exactly they fails down. So you can see this time the question is, how do you feel about NFT today? So I feel very good, because the change occur is positive. You can see this time 92% people tell us to I feeling good, and you just 8% people tell us to we are feeling bad. This time, my friend, you can see the continues, the chart is absolutely, my friend, especially from previous days they fails down. So as it's all, friends, you can see true, and this chart you can see here they completely fails down. But definitely after this fail, you can see they again start jumping. After a fail, you can see after a jump they fails down, and after a fail they take a jump. This is completely circulation, my brother. So thanks for watching, all of you. Kindly hold it, don't sell it, and wait for a good time. I hope they in upcoming times they moving upward. So kindly hold it and don't sell it. Please like this video, subscribe this channel for latest news and update. FBS Tech channel is every time guide you. Thank you so much.